Hey y'all, have you ever had trouble with your chickens getting out of your enclosure? Maybe you're a little nervous about cutting chicken wings. Today we're going to show you how we do it so that you guys can do it safely. Clipping chicken wings is not really something you have to do routinely, but we run an open pasture-based system. I choose chicken breeds that are particularly heavy so that they don't fly over our fence. But sometimes when we have young birds like this little girl here, they don't get the memo and they want to jump over the fence and go see what's in the wide world. So we want to keep them safe. That's what our fence is for. So we have to keep them inside to do that. So we're going to clip their wings to do that. As I stretch out her wing here, this doesn't hurt her. I'm not pulling on her or anything terribly. I'm holding onto the actual wing part and the feathers are extended. You'll see those dark feathers there. Those are her primary feathers. And then these lighter feathers that are sticking out in the back are her secondary feathers. We're only going to be cutting these primary feathers. See these short feathers that stick out right here? That's our stop line. Okay, so we want to stay away from that. This does not hurt the chicken. It's just like giving them a haircut. The other thing you want to keep in mind is you only want to do one wing. That will keep them off balance so that they don't just try really, really hard with short wings and still make it over the fence. So again, I've got my fingers around the actual meat part of her wing so that I can't possibly clip her. And then I'm just going to cut through these feathers. And again, it's just like giving her a haircut. It's not hurting her. So once I've done that, the other wing is long, this one is short, so when she tries to fly up over the fence, she shouldn't be able to get airlift. One other pro tip, when you're holding them, like I've got her under her breastbone or her keel bone, and when I hold her to do her clipping, I'm gonna put her legs not on my leg, but between my legs so that she can't push up and jump. That's the idea anyway. So anyway, I've got her keel bone sitting on my thigh, and then I can just hold her wing with this hand and she can't go anywhere and she can't hurt herself and it's just easier. So again, primary feathers, clipping at that line. That's it. Go ahead. Guess what? Chicken butt! This is another one of our escapees. It's the same mix as the other one, even though it looks very similar. I did want to say one more thing about their feathers. In this particular breed or mix, the primary feathers are dark. That's not always the case. Sometimes they'll just be the same color. And also, pro tip, go ahead and choose a wing and always cut that wing. That way you can look around your barnyard and see who's been clipped and who hasn't at a glance. So once again, you're going to be cutting, Once again, you're going to be cutting only these primary feathers, which are just those front ones. Hold still, honey. And you're going to make sure and stop at these short ones, at least at those short ones, so that they, you don't get up to anywhere that would hurt them. Okay, honey, okay. And that's it. So we've got another lady here. This one's got a different feather pattern, so it's just good to see different things. But again, we've still got the primary feathers, which definitely stick out longer, that you can see that there. And then the secondary feathers back here. And again, I'm holding the actual wing so that I don't get anything that shouldn't be clipped. And I'm looking at my short feathers there as my stopping point. And you'll notice I prefer clipping the right wing because I'm clipping with my right-handed scissors. It's just easier for me to have them that way. So we've got another one here that's got a more uniform wing pattern, but you can still see the longer primary feathers and the shorter secondary feathers. And then where these short feathers begin, that's our stopping point. So I'm just gonna come, okay. I'm just gonna come in here onto the primaries, and I'm going to make sure and hold her actual wing, and I'm just going to clip them. No big deal. Okay, go on. Well, I hope that was helpful, and if you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those below. And if you want to see more about the different coops that we run on our farm, check out this video here, or if you want to see more about our chickens in general, check out this.